Creator energy abounds around us. On sun-filled days, the light calls us out in it to see and do. It's a creative, energetic, compelling, and joyful. We feel charged. On darker days, some can often feel glum, less motivated. Some, maybe many, feel the effects of SAD, the acronym for seasonal affective disorder. Some head south for warmer weather when fall turns to winter. It is at the times of lesser light that we can turn within to ignite our own energetic spark, a time to meditate undistracted, and a time to be our own energy source and utilize the time for projects that spring and summer activities don't allow for. That going in to plumb our own resources can be like what occurs under soil while things are resting yet germinating, unseen, in reserve, but very much alive. It is the breathing in before the bursting out into coming sun, spring, springing out with tender new life and brilliant colors, a symphony for the eyes to behold. Each day is a Sunday, within or without, for each day offers us a new beginning to everything in front of us. Let us greet each day with the appreciation of the gift that it is, and with the anticipation and excitement of an early rising child who cannot sleep another minute for the play of the day ahead. Make today one of joy and wonder and anticipation. Be your child within. Let it be so, and so it is.
Hello, my name's Ron Vroman. I'm the old white man talking head for the Oregon Statewide Jural Assembly. I had a chance to work with William this morning. We don't get to work together as much as we used to. And we got to talk. And we came to a conclusion. The conclusion is it's showdown. And it's between William keeps the Sabbath and reads scripture, among a lot of other things. But he is remarkably fixed. And when we decided it was good against evil, or however you want to call it, the lines drawn, he pointed up like that. And we were loading something in the back of his truck. And he's right. The oath that we have to take is with the laws of nature and nature's God included. That's it. You have to get that much into your oath. If you're a Leo and you're packing a gun, you'd better add protect and defend in there, not just support the Constitution. Then you're supposed to know which Constitution, not just some Constitution, but which. Identify. Be a good idea if you knew what dictionary the definitions were found in. Those kinds of things. Important. Complying with ORS 206. There you go. Now that's a catchy thing to do. Actually comply with the laws specifically designed, the statute specifically designed for the sheriff's office. Oh, whoever heard of such a thing, completing all of that. For those of you that don't know, the Oregon Statewide Jural Assembly has audited 9 out of the 36 offices of sheriff on Oregon. and not one of them has been able to qualify for the office of sheriff as the sheriff. They all failed. Sam Elliott did the best so far. And it wasn't like it was a spring something on you as a trick. We posted it on 9 county bulletin boards. What a sample oath looked like and what our Article 3, Amendment 7 court's verdict was, and posted it on all 9 of their bulletin boards. That didn't go really well, but we completed the function. Now here we are, months later, and we still don't have a sheriff that's lawfully in his office, or her. We have 4 female sheriffs. So when we're coming to this big fork in the road, it's not like that baseball player said, when you get to the fork in the road, take it. It's not like that. You're at the fork of the road. You're either de facto and committed to the fraud, and you'll suffer the consequences of that action, or you're jure, constitutional, original jurisdiction, without the fraud. You took a proper oath. You understand the constitutions. You understand the requirements of the job, and you completed it. And we have a sheriff. We need 36. If we don't get a sheriff, then we have to go to the county commissioners or the county whoever. We will have a proper government on Oregon. We are no longer deceived. You are no longer deceived. You know exactly what we're talking about. So on July 21st, a Monday at 10:30 in the morning, on the plaza in front of the State House on Court Street in Salem. Caveat to will, probate and open court. We, our Article 3, 1 Supreme Court claiming original jurisdiction, Article 7, and Amendment 7, Civilian Common Law Court of Record, will be there. And we will be taking testimony and receiving documents. They have been subpoenaed, are being subpoenaed, will have been subpoenaed. No more deceit. If you can't show up, it's because you don't have the proper bona fides. If you had them, you would show up. Even if you don't have them, show up. Stand and deliver and stand and receive. We're in your town, Nick. Come see us. I yield.
Hi, my name is Eric Dover with the Oregon Statewide Jural Assembly. This is an open letter to the Oregon sheriffs. Where are our sheriffs? For the last several months, we have posted and made available what we worked on as a proper oath for the persons in our governance. Sheriffs are our first effort at our insisting on a proper oath, for it is the sheriffs who are here in their county position to protect and defend the people. Protect from what? You, some might say. From ticketing or sending people to the illegitimate amended Article 7 courts that should not be. From governance overreach and taxation that they should assist seniors in the prevention of their eviction from their loss of equity, their forever home, and all they possess. Our Article 3, Amendment 7 Civilian Common Law Court of Record has made numerous visits and relentless communications to our county sheriffs in Oregon to offer a remedy for the victimization of the people. How, you might ask? It's like a shift in the mind. It is the recognition of one's allegiance to life and that which is God-given, rather than criminalizing living God-made beings for a dead corporate entity. Our sheriffs are our first protection against governance overreach. The significance of elected government officials taking a proper oath to the original jurisdiction Constitution, circa 1859, is a tremendous recognition. The oath, then, is a promise to our God self, to our Creator God, and to people, not persons. Such a dejuration, taking a solemn oath, is needed for there to be a remedy in our authoritative system of governance. Once a sheriff can make the shift, they can see themselves among the people rather than a corporate entity meant to enforce our compliance to the bidding of the state. This cognition promises to be a release of tension, greater freedom, and cooperation. Let it be so.
They do not want to let go of this. They do not intend on losing here. And we do not intend giving it back to them.
And then the bullets started flying, and then he jumps out of the car, and he's got both his hands up.
And he got out of the car, and he had his hands in the air. He's like, just shoot me then. This is what you want, just shoot me. And they did. They shot him dead. With his hands in the air, and I fought. I swear to God. He was just walking with his hands in the air. And they shot him. And they shot him dead, and then after he was down on the ground, they shot him 3 more times.